Good morning to all. Today we will discuss about to find the solution of pair of linear equation in two variable using elimination method. In this method, one variable out of two variables is eliminated by making the coefficient of that variable equal in both the equations. അതായത് ഈ ഇക്വേഷൻ ടു ഇക്വേഷൻസ് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അതിൽ ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു വേരിയബിൾ എക്സ് ആണ് വൈ ടു വേരിയബിൾസ് ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കും. ഏത് വേരിയബിൾ ആണോ ആ വേരിയബിൾ ഒരു വേരിയബിൾ എലിമിനേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക. ദെൻ കൺസിഡർ വൺ എക്സാമ്പിൾ. യൂസ് elimination method, find the solution of that pair of linear equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 8 and 4x plus 6y is equal to 7. Then first you consider 2x plus 3y is equal to 8 as the first equation and 4x plus 6y is equal to 7 as the second equation. And you note, first you decide that which variable is eliminated, and in this question we will eliminate the variable x. Then you notice that when we making this as 4, multiplying first equation by 2, then consider the first equation and multiply by that 2. That become 4x plus 6y is equal to 16, and next equation 4x plus 6y is equal to 7, and consider this equation as 3 and this equation as 4. Then you add or subtract, then the one variable is eliminated. In this we use the operation subtraction. Then 3 minus 4, that is equal to 4x minus 4x, that is 0, and 6y minus 6y, that is equal to 0, and 16 minus 7, that is equal to 9. Therefore we cannot, which is a false statement and it has no variable. That's all. Which is a false statement involving no variable, so the given pair of linear equation has no solution. Next question, 3x plus 4y is equal to 10 and 2x minus 2y equal to 2. Consider this as first equation and this is second equation. In this, first you decide that which variable is eliminated. This question we want to eliminate y. Then making the coefficient of that y equal, we multiply the second equation by 2. Then first you consider 3x plus 4y is equal to 10 as the first equation and multiply this equation 2 by 2, that is 4x minus 4y is equal to 4. This is equation number 3. Then you know that we will add this equation, the variable y eliminate. Therefore adding 1 plus 3, that is 7x, and 4y plus negative 4y, that becomes 0, and 10 plus 4, that is 14. Then 7x is equal to 14. Therefore x is equal to 14 by 7, that is equal to 2. Then substitute this value to any of this equation, that is you consider the equation first and substituting x is equal to 2 in equation 1, that is 3 into 2 plus 4y is equal to 10, that is 6 plus 4y is equal to 10. Then 4y is equal to 10 minus 6, that is equal to 4, and y is equal to 4 by 4, that is equal to 1. Therefore the solution of x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. Next question, x by 2 plus 2y by 3 is equal to negative 1 and x minus y by 3 is equal to 3. Consider this equation as first equation and this as second. Then consider the first equation, that becomes 3x plus 4y is equal to negative 6. This is equation number 3. And this equation is 3x minus y is equal to 9. Notice that in this the coefficient of x as equal, then you minus 4 from 3. That is 3x minus 3x, that is equal to 0x, and 4y minus y, that is equal to 5y, is equal to minus 15. Therefore, y is equal to minus 15 divided by 5, that is equal to minus 3. Then substitute the value of y is equal to negative 3 in equation 3, that is 3 into minus 3x plus 4 into minus 3 is equal to minus 6. That is 3x minus 4 into 3, 12. That is equal to minus 6. Therefore, 3x is equal to minus 6 plus 12. That is equal to positive 6. Therefore, x is equal to 6 by 3. That is equal to 2. Therefore, the solutions of x as 2 and y as negative 3. That's all. Thank you.